Hi everyone, I'm Eugene from i.Poise Design, and today we are at a very exciting project. Where we are at is at Shimadzu. It's a company that specializes in science, and in this particular division that we are renovating and designing for, they are doing more of measuring and analytical instruments and also medical systems. And their whole theme and vibe that we're going for is more on the futuristic and space kind of look. So let me show you guys more. Let's go. The design theme is futuristic corporate, inspired by technology, precision, and innovation. These values are deeply aligned with Shimadzu's brand identity, and the space was designed to visually communicate that immediately upon entry. One of the standout features that I really love is the interactive digital corridor. This is a space that educates visitors about Shimadzu's products and capabilities. Instead of static displays, this corridor creates an engaging, eye-catching and immersive experience that introduces the brand before any formal meeting begins. The client wanted a modern and futuristic space that could showcase their products, support customer engagement, and still function efficiently as a working environment. This led to the idea of creating a multifunctional zone rather than a single-purpose space. This area functions as a pantry for everyday use, but it can also be transformed into a customer experience zone or a VIP meeting room. The flexibility allows the space to adapt to different needs without disrupting the overall workflow. The materials and finishes maintain a sleek, refined look that aligns with a futuristic corporate theme, ensuring consistency across both public-facing and internal spaces. The meeting section was designed to support both internal collaboration and high-level client discussions, while still continuing the same futuristic design language seen throughout the office. The layout, lighting, and finishes in this entire space makes it feel professional, focused, adaptable, and still making it suitable for discussions and strategic meetings. In this area, we introduced a curved glass panel to prevent the space from feeling boxed in. The glass features a gradient frosted finish, which allows natural light to pass through while still maintaining privacy for users on both sides. This is a project that I enjoyed so much. What stood out the most for me was designing a space that can adapt so seamlessly to different needs, from everyday office use to customer experiences, VIP meetings, all while maintaining a strong and consistent futuristic identity throughout the space. When we started this project, a big part of the entire process was that we had to understand the entire brand, its history, what kind of products they sell, and what kind of things would actually bring out the brand to actualization. So everything that we actually select here, be it the colors, the lighting choices, laminates, these are things that actually bring out the brand image in its entirety. So the key thing is that we want to be very intentional in what we select and in what we design in this whole space, so that even clients and VIP guests from abroad, when they come here, whatever that they have read about the brand, they feel it materialized and physicalized in this entire space. Commercial spaces is not just about how a place looks, what kind of colors we simply just put in because they blend together or look nice. A lot of it is based off what the brand stands for, what the brand needs, be it precision or trust. And before saying a single word, we want the customer to come in here to already sense the entire brand image and their brand expression. So in Shimadzu, for this space, our intention was to support their entire brand identity, and at the same time, we want to make sure that this balances out the customer experience portion and also for the day-to-day operations of their staff. Thank you so much for joining us in this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.